Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm using Thank God It's Natural hair products. I'm starting off with the Quench 3-in-1 co-wash conditioner and detangler. So the 3-in-1 co-wash conditioner has olive oil and vitamin E, and with the directions it says apply a generous amount to cleanse the scalp and remove excess product buildup. Okay y'all, so if you haven't already, be sure to check out my latest YouTube video on the Curltastic Wonder Brush. It's amazing. As you can see in this video, I'm going to place a card at the top of the screen so that you all can access the video easily. After I detangled my hair with the 3-in-1 conditioner, I did allow it to sit on my hair for 10 minutes and then I rinsed well with warm water. So according to the 3-in-1 conditioner directions, if you want an extra conditioner, they say use the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. So that's what I'm using right here. And basically you just apply it well to your hair and then you allow it to sit on your hair for like 35 minutes to an hour without heat. But if you're doing heat, then you can do it for 10 to 15 minutes. So once you allow the hair mask to be on your hair for the allotted time, then you just rinse well with warm water and then followed by cool water. So what I've been doing lately to ensure that my hair has maximum hydration with my hairstyles, I've been using the Loc Method. So I'm starting off with water this time and I'm following up with Grape Seed Oil. Grape Seed Oil is definitely recommended for those that have low porosity hair. So for the C of the Loc Method, I'm using the TGIN Buttercream Daily Moisturizer. It has shea butter and vitamin E. And just to mention, all of the products that I've used from TGIN so far has smelled amazing and I really love the quality of the products. So what I decided to do with my hair this time was just 2-strand flat twisted and then applied perm rods on the ends of my hair. So this is the achieved hairstyle. It's a nice curly fro, very moisturized. So as always, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.